Gang, what's poppin' with y'all out there, man? This your boy, Karnage Starter. Y'all already know what's happening, man. Make sure you hit that like if you haven't, man. Y'all already know how this can go. And it can't go no other way, right? You know that. They know that. Let me see what's up with this, man. I see a flaw. Okay. A flaw at its finest, but hey, look what's popping, man. I'm back. You feel me? I'm back. Picture me rolling like Tupac said. I hate to say it, but a lot of cats don't want to see a nigga rolling good, man. They don't want to see a nigga out here, you know what I'm saying, making it to the destination of where I gotta go. Honestly, man, I'm gonna tell you something. Today is a great day to be alive. Not a day to be dead. R.I.P. all the dead ones. Today's a great day to be alive, gang. You better believe that. And what I mean by that is, man, I'm talking about you get more chances after chances to keep doing what you love, seeing the people that you love. Keep you more chances, to be in God's hand and his safety and, wherever he chooses to lead you at, big gang. That's what it is, and I love that. I like that feeling, gang. Some of y'all don't understand that. Or you never would. Light y'all doobies up if y'all got them, man. Smoke champs. What up? This ain't drink champs, this smoke champs. You hear me? Like the doobies. At the end of the day, gang, I feel like the world we live in is vast and it's full of knowledge. And yes, we still got more knowledge to learn. So, you never stop learning, man, every day. Every day that you on the blacktop, you never stop learning. It's like this. Picture me rolling. If they could, they would, but they can't. So I already know a lot of people want to see a nigga down. That's what I'm telling you. They want to catch you down. They want to catch you at your downest moments, gang. You can't give them that. You can't give them that, gang, because the moment you give them that, it's over. The moment you let them see defeat in you, is over. You always got to stay on the go, stay pushing. You know what I'm saying? Stay grinding. I look at that as a major key thing. I look at that as something, exclusively applicable that you got to really ride and grind like that, gang. Anyway, man, I know y'all been hearing about what's going on out here in the field, man. What's up with Kevin Gates getting exposed with the trainees and shit, man? I said this before. He getting exposed with the trainees. I'm hoping the boys stop beefing. Billionaire Black and yelling at them. I know they never was, really into it like that. They just had some differences and they got them together. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. At the end of the day, gang, I think them boys out there really trying to teach a nigga. We see J-Man, I like that video he was doing up in there. Showing y'all how to make that first, money. How to get to the ends on there, man. How to collect, a check from YouTube. A lot of people be laughing on YouTube don't pay that money. YouTube pay good money. Honestly, YouTube paying gooder than half of these motherfuckers who got checks out here, big dog. Half of these motherfuckers who doing music. Half of these motherfuckers who really trying to, get to the cheddar chicken. I think YouTube paying well great. Y'all just gotta live it to see it. You ain't in that lane. To understand that, know that spotlight. So all you cats will be talking about the YouTubers, shut up, hold your tongue. I'm telling you, because we come. At the end of the day, though, I always say at the end of the day because I want you motherfuckers to know it'll never be no end of the day on my behalf, man. As long as I'm here to rock out and rock with the game, you feel me? We're going to always take off. For the most part, though, I'm going to stay humble and pray to God, and I'm going to try to take all of y'all that route, too. Now, if you don't believe in God, you say that, or you just stay off my channel. You hypocrite bastard. At the end of the day, you make sure when you do come here, man, you make sure you keep it cover steady, you keep a steady head, and you focus, and you stay on topic, you feel me, when you join in the street university. Because at the street university, we do tend to learn all sorts of things, all kind of things. I'm talking about marvelous things. I marvel at things that y'all don't learn, though. And that's for the grown heads out there, gang. Even the old heads out there, man. In your 30s, your 40s, this is the time they got to picture you rolling. You got to be getting to the bag. This is the time you're supposed to be making sure you got a business to own. Like I told y'all before in the last video, to leave behind for your kids. This that time, gang. This that time to get straight to that money. It's that time to show these motherfuckers how you really flex that muscle. It's that time, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no time to give up. Ain't no time for peon, punks, chumps, none of that shit. Ain't no time for suckers in your life or around you. Time to go hard, man. And go home, man. You hear me? It's time to go hard or go home. Y'all hear that weed bag? Stop playing with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. You know, once we roll it up and get it delicately lit, you know, you already know what's up, man. They already know what's up. And I couldn't video like straight out the gate with the vid, so I had to give y'all the audio, which is still cool. But I know my true fans are gonna still support no matter what. Let me see the video work again. Or is it still frozen? Let me see. Yeah. At the end of the day, who gives a shit? That don't stop me. I love y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe, stay dangerous, whatever the case may be with you. You got to. I am out, man. But like I said, y'all make sure y'all tap in and tune into, you know, my channel, man. Before I hit it, tap in, tune in, hit that like button. Everybody spam that like. Spam that like button, gang. I love y'all, man. Dearly, I'm gone.
Dad, look. Look at my house.
I'm looking right at you.